Hello, and welcome to another ATV video tutorial. In this video, we will cover manual configuration of IP cameras for your ATV recorder. For this tutorial, you will need 3 Ethernet cables. Using one of the cables, connect the PoE switch to the recorder by one of its PoE ports. Using a second cable, connect one end of the cable to your camera pigtail, and the other end to the PoE switch. The third cable is to connect your laptop or PC to the PoE switch. While connected to the PoE switch, devices should have the IP scheme of 192.168.30.x. This is supplied by the DHCP server within the recorder. 2 DHCP servers should not exist within the same network. For this reason, do not connect a local network to the PoE side of the recorder. Whether indirectly by connecting a local network router to the PoE switch, or directly by connecting the router to a PoE port on the recorder. You are likely to experience glitches on the network for not only ATV devices, but any device using DHCP. Next, we will cover the software for configuring your ATV cameras. Open a browser window and go to the webpage atvideo.com. Click Support Center, followed by System Updates. Click the red drop-down and select Smart Manager at the bottom. Click on the red download link to get the Smart Manager program. Click on the pop-up in the top right to open the zip folder containing the program. Double-click the program icon and leave the folder open for the duration of this installation. When Smart Manager runs, a pop-up will appear that says Device Account. The default username and password of admin and admin will populate in the ID and password boxes. Click OK to continue. The first time Smart Manager attempts to access the network, you will get a security pop-up. Click Allow. By default, ATV cameras have a static IP of 192.168.30.220. We will need to change the last octet of this number to anything that is not currently in use. Right-click a camera and choose Assign IP. In this case, we will be changing camera 1 to a .2 address and camera 2 to a .3 address, as the recorder is already using .1, as shown in the list. Once made, click OK to apply the change. After a moment, the cameras should repopulate with their new distinct IP addresses. If they do not, the refresh button in the top left will expedite this process. We can now register the cameras in the ATV recorder. In the camera registration window, you will see the cameras, but the IP addresses listed will not be those that you just set. This will not be a problem, and you can proceed to the Add Manually option in the bottom right of the menu. First, select a channel to add your camera to, then click Add to CH. In the pop-up that appears, all we need to do is update the OnViv URL by updating the IP address to that of the camera. Leave the rest of this URL unaltered. Click Test to confirm the connection to the camera. If the test is successful, you can now click Regist in the bottom left. When the video from the camera populates in the channel you're registering, you can now close the registration window. When you go back to camera registration, you will see 2 instances of your camera. The one you added that is assigned to the channel you chose, and the other that has that alternate IP address that is not in use. This configuration method should be used anytime a PoE switch is connected to a PoE port on a recorder. This has been an introduction to manual camera registration. Please follow along to the advanced camera registration video for information on how to add cameras from your local network, or check out one of our other training videos. As always, we look forward to serving you, and have a great day.